Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make text in circle in Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. There are many ways to make text and stand out in your document. You can format the font in bold or italic or highlight the text using color for another option. We'll show you how to circle text in Microsoft Word. How to do it is very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Microsoft Word. For example, in here, I will open the uh, blank document. Now, you can just type any word that you want to turn into circle in Word. Okay. Now, to make this word to make this text in circle, we'll just block and make it bigger. Now you can just go to insert. From insert, before that, don't forget to block the text. After that, you can go to word art. From word art, you can choose on the style that you want to use. Maybe for example, you want to use this style. Now, you can go to here. You can go to here. After that, you can go to word styles. From word styles, you can go to here, text effects. You can select on that. You can go to transform. From transform, you can choose on the follow path. You can choose the circle, or maybe you want to use the button because we want to turn this text into circle. You can select on circle. Now you can just adjust the text like this until it turns out like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make text to circle in Microsoft Word. Very simple, right? Now you can just save it. So that is how to make text in circle in Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.